Hello! Welcome again to my channel. This is Rico of Solo Board Gamer ng Tondo. Last time, we fight Iron Man and unfortunately, we lost. And I think there's a problem with my deconstruction. I have assembled Logan and Teddy Altman, the Whole King, as a specialized deck. Specialized means they only concern what they do, especially Logan. His deck is mainly in aggression, so his job is only to kill minions and hit the villain. That's it. He doesn't concern about the threat. While Hulkin job is to handle threat. Since if that will be two players, the combination of decks should be half threat half threat mitigation and uh, aggression. So what I mean, if you're aggression, you should have cards that mitigate threat. And if you have justice, you should have also cards that damage the opponent or the minions. So right now I added Wade Wilson. Wade Wilson is a multi-composition deck, which means he has 50-50. He has threat mitigation and as well killing of minions and damaging the villain. And Logan is a specialized construction deck, mainly for damaging villain and killing minions. And Holkin is a specialization deck that deals with threat alone. So again, we start this one. So when a player is built treachery, place one threat here. So we remember that one. If there's more than one player on your team, this stage gains two six hinders. So we have three players. So six. Yes, 2, 4, 6. We have six threat here, and here will be 9. But the threshold will be 21. Okay. And then Iron Man will have a stop status card. 24. He's not now 24. He'll be 36. Okay. Now we start the deck here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's look what we're going to do. Right now, what we must do is set up. Mostly set up. But perhaps there are threat removers here. I will I think Lunging Strike. I think I will retain these cards. Now let's go here to Teddy Altman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He has Christ averted. That's good for threat. Oh, this is okay. This upgrade. Quake is there. For now, I don't like Weaken. If I go with this card, let's discard this one and let's try another one. So now we go with Wilson. Wade Wilson. 4, 5, 6. Hell Carrier's good. Chimichanga Truck. This is good also. Okay. Okay. This is good for now. Okay. Okay, let's go with Logan first. Okay, search your deck for. Let's go with the Wolverine. Now, what we're going to do is reduce the threat. I'll reduce this threat to 1. Track by set. Draw 2 cards. Mm-hmm. This is good actually. 6. Hmm. I'll wait because 2 cards is good. Mm-hmm. 3, 4. Yeah, 2 cards is good. Okay, so Teddy Altman. Search your deck for the discard. No, 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 no. Let's play this. Remove 3. Okay. Threat 1. I will ask Wolverine to do his lunging strike. No, 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 not lunging. Track by set. That's remove 3 threats. Because that was the last one, he will draw 2 cards. I didn't play any event yet. What I can do, it's 1, 2, 3. I'll go with this upgrade. So I'll pay this, including the alley. Now let's go to Wade Wilson. I'll pay this one. Hell Carrier. That's 3. I'll change to hero. Okay, so threat 2. 1, 2. 1. This will be. I'll ask Hulkin to play the card of Impede. I will use Hell Carrier. I will use this one. That's 2. This, remove 3 threats. 1, 2, 3. That's 2. I will ask Wolverine to cast this Track of Sentinel again. That removes 3. I forgot to pay this. I make the basic attack. It's only basic attack against Iron Man. So I did not put a basic attack. Any more like I can do? None for now. Oh well, that's no good. Hmm. Okay. Uh, Refresh cards according player face reference. After appropriate discard a number of cards from the hand. I will not discard this. Instead, I'll refresh one more. I'm good. Untap all cards that I've done. Here, refresh to 5. Okay. Untap all. Wade Wilson, refresh to 5. Okay. Refresh. Villain's turn. So, how many we are? 3. Here. He will attack Wolverine. Should I defense? I could. Defense to 2. So, his attack is 1 plus. Give the enemy leader a top status card. You already have a top status. So, give nothing to him. So, that was defended. Next one. I will take. That's 2. Wade Wilson. I will take. That's 1. And deal 1 damage to your identity. Another one. Okay, 7. So, counter deck. When revealed, resolve the when revealed ability of each minion in play. If no, this card gains surge. When revealed, each minion activates against the player at least engage with. Otherwise, the enemy leader activates against you. It give a boost card. Okay, the enemy leader activates against me, so that's 1 more damage. Next card. The villain attacks me. Okay, that's 1. I can do anything. That's 3. 1, 2, 3, 6. Next card. No villain. Complicated Atman. Discard. Yes. I resort to. Let me flip the alter ego. Then exhaust. This will be removed. Next one. Okay, touch to Iron Man. Give him the top status card again. Against Stalwart. Okay. I'll cast this. So now this is 25. Okay. And this is hero action. Shape. There's none. Transform. I'll cast this. Remove 2 threats from the main scheme. 2. 1. Remove X additional threat from the main screen to maximally where X equal to the build stage number. Okay, that's good. Uh, Wait, I should have used this one. Yes, I should use this one. I'll pay this one. I retain this one. Next, Wade Wilson. Uh, okay, I'll make this one. This is removed. When defeated, the enemy team search the encounter deck, discard for Iron Man attachment, and your team. Another attachment. Super duper attachment. I hate this guy actually. Wait, what I could do? No. I think this is much more better. Okay, let's just that will happen anyway. That will happen. Okay, let's do this. I'll attack. Okay, so this is removed. And then I'll pay I'll pay this. Oh god, I don't want to pay this one. Huh. Discord. Okay, so discard. And then I'll pay Chimichanga. No, Yoho. I'll just remove 1 damage. That's 5. I'm not paying anything. That's 1. This will be here. Now it's Logan time. After you make a basic attack against Iron Man. Okay, I'll paste Clover. Wait. Pay this lunch. 1. I'll pay Berserker Barrage 2. So that's 4 damage for Iron Man. Okay. So now, refresh hand. 3, 4, 5. Oh, Avengers. That's too expensive actually. And refresh. Wade Wilson. I forgot that. Wade Wilson. I will make Wade Wilson like this. Mm-hmm. Okay. Uh, Wolverine. I'm sorry, but you have to stay. You have to stay in this form. Okay. Uh-huh. So it's villain's turn now. So 3. Okay, he will attack first Hulkin. He will attack Hulkin. So my plan is to let him attack me. So that's 2 plus. That's only 2. 1, 2. You are confused. Uh, okay. Next one. He schemes. So he has 1, 2, 3 scheme plus. Okay. So another 3. What's the boost here? The enemy leader attacks your leader. Up this, do not give the boost card for that. Let me check. There's no alternative way. Okay, so this will not happen. Uh-huh. And next attack, I will go with defense. Because that is 2 already. That's 3. I will take only 1 damage. And that's it. Now, encounter. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Aha. The enemy team attaches card to a minion or their leader. Against that, when attached, the card would take much. Okay. It's like insurance. Oh, a minion. The enemy team discard the attachment from your leader. Discard and upgrade Duke control. Oh, ho, ho. Have no upgrade. That's a support. Next. Iron Man is getting stronger and stronger and stronger every day. So now, he has 2. Who will make a basic attack from him? Ha! I'll go with this one. Okay. I'll use this hell carrier to have this. And then I'll recover. No, not yet. I'll use this first for here 1. So I have now 12 plus 8, but only 12. So after identity mix A. Okay. Ah, I think this is much more better. Yeah. I attack and pay this to remove this one. Aerial, range, stalwart. Pay this one. That's two. Oh. Uh-huh. Gain stalwart when the touchdown would take any more damage. Prevent. You will not take anything. Okay, so Deadpool is finished. But we still have threats there. I'll pay this one. I'll pay this one too. Clover. This is dead. This will return back to my hand. Ah, because I use Clover, I'll go to Logan. Okay, next. I will attack Iron Man. So, my attack is 1. I'll pay... Oh my god, I don't have those cards. Huh? Lightning. Hmm. I'll pay for this one. This is one. I don't want to lose this. This one. This will become this like. So I remove 4. Huh. I'll get 2 cards I need to remove. Okay, I'll sacrifice first Avengers. That's for the residents. Okay, I'm finished. So we'll have 5 cards. Okay, what now? So untap all. Next, Logan will have 6 cards. On top, Hulkin will have 5 cards. Okay. Okay, let us see what will happen. Okay, enemies face now. So Iron Man plus 3, that will be 5. Okay. Okay, so he will attack me first. Attack this guy. He has 2 damage. Four. Yes, 4 damage. Scheme to Logan. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Attack Hulkin. Okay, I received the attack. That's 2, 4, 5. Okay, now encounter. I never thought Iron Man is quite strong. Okay. The villain attacks you again. Okay, if that is the case, I block. No, I'll accept. 4 again. Next, the villain schemes. 3 plus 5. Next. Okay, so this one, when defeated, it shuffle its Avenger minion. This will have 6. And the problem with that one, that should be removed first before we can remove threat in. It's getting harder and harder than I thought. Recovery 6, that will be 11. Fortunately, he has no. That's 10. Is there anything? What I can do is this. That's how many do I have? 5. I remember I have 5. And Fusillade. Yeah. I'll pay this to this. I have Hell Carrier. No, I'll pay this one. Yeah. Then I will heal to 2. I'll attack. So that's 2 attack. After make a basic attack against Iron Man. So these 2 will resolve. I'll pay this one here, this one here. remove. Holkin, thwart. Mm-hmm. I'll cast this using this one or using this one, and then chosen shape also after shape brigade enters play, discard each other shape upgrade your soybean. So that's two. I will thwart. That's one, two, three. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll cast this one to use this. It says here main. So one, stage one. Okay. And I can use this one to get this card. Oh, I'll use this one. Okay, I have this. Then I will use this exhaust heal to the 2 damage, and then one hulking card. I take this one. Okay, now this. If your entity has sustained triple resource instead of sustain, hold on. Hmm. Fuck. Double the number of resource discards if it is sustain less than 5. One, two. Fuck. Okay, I play this card. Okay, then uh-huh. Thwart. When defeated, shuffle each Avenger minion in the encounter discard file in the encounter deck. Avenger minion. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh, scheme minus 2, 3, change back. It's quite hard. Uh, it's quite hard. Hmm. Okay. Refresh. Ah, this should thwart also. I forgot. This should thwart. Upgrade. Okay. Uh-huh. This one. Pete. Okay, villain's face. That's 3. Yes, 11. Huh? Attack. Okay, I will accept the attack or defend. I'll defend the attack. So that's one. Still one. Repelled. Scheme one. Scheme again. Two. Uh-huh. Okay. Force interrupt. When you play reveals a treachery. Okay. So here, when a minion's defeat, give it to the enemy leader as a face down boost card. Ah, haha. And then another 6 here. Each Avenger minion gains the printed keyword of each other Avengers. This is no good. 6 again. That's no good. Reveal, heal. That's not good. Okay, one, two damage, one hulking card from your discard, and this also. Okay, so threat remover 3. Uh-huh. 2. We'll cast this to this. That's 3 again. This will be returned to me. Two. I want the new card. Mhm. That's it. Heal 12, 8, 11. Chimichanga. Uh-huh. So this is one. Wait. Plus. Oh, I cannot play this one. Okay. 11. Is that it? Oh fuck. -2. -2. I forgot this. Uh-huh. I'll borrow this. 2. And then what should I do? Okay, just attack. I'll cast this. I use one. Okay, finish. Uh-huh. 6, 8, 4, 5. Uh-huh. Okay, I forgot to move this. It should be here. Okay. Balance phase. Let's remove these tokens. Okay. Iron Man. What? 1 plus 2. Oh, no, no, no. This should be uh, plus 3. And 1, 2, 5. Accept. 1. Stun. Okay. This one. Scheme. 1. Confused. Treasure card. Oh, minion. Treasure. Place 1 here. Place 2 threats on the each scheme. If Maria's heals in play, discard. Place 2 threats. Wait, I forgot one. This one scheme. 1, 2 scheme. Attack 1. I forgot. Let me count. It's 15. There's 21 already. That's this card gain search. Wow. Here. Okay. I think we need to take a break. So we will continue this tomorrow for our next session. Uh, so goodbye for now. See you again tomorrow for the part 2 of this gameplay. Bye bye for now.